Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to Teardown. Today I'm going to be giving you the full length of all these weapons. I really hope you subscribe and like the video. Right, let's get on with it. So, first off we got a sledgehammer, which can, you know, slam things. Then we have the spray can. Not really a weapon, but it's just fun to use. Fire extinguisher. Then we got the firefighter. Blowtorch. MP40. And there's different modes of it. Pretty destructive. Then we have the fart gun. Yep, that is a thing. Oh god. Then we got the ragdoll gun. I don't even know what's going on here. Oh my gosh, I'm like 50 feet away. I can still hear it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to get close and personal. Shut up. There we go. That's so much easier. Now we got the grapple gun. Pretty self-explanatory. It's kind of bad though. Then we have the gravity gun, my favorite, or one of my favorites. Hold on. We gotta use some pieces over here. All right, this person will be our sacrifice. Whee! 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 Then we have our revenge katana. Not sure if you pronounce it like that, but still. Hiya! Which slices through anything you touch. Then we have the smoke gun. It is what it sounds like. Then we got Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber. Pretty fancy. Next up we got our portal gun. And then I can shoot it all the way over there. No, I can't. I can shoot it there. And I'm over here now. Pretty simple. Now here comes the fun part. We got a nuke. Oh. Yep. My computer's literally on fire right now. Oh. We finally hit the ground. Enjoy the 2 frames per second slideshow. Oh boy. Yeah, so we had to restart. I wonder why. Next up, we have our tornado gun. I'm gonna use it down there. Oh. Such beautiful destruction. And lag. Wow, this is great. Hey, could you stop? I'm trying to film a video here. That was the Nova shotgun. You know, just a simple shotgun. Basically in slow motion because of the lag. Huh, restarted again. I wonder why. Alright. Next up, we got our Davy Crockett. Cub. Boom! Oh no, what did I do? It looks like nothing, except destroy a few beautiful cars. Anyway, let's summon in a meteor. Hey, bud. Oh, you're really going ham. Well, that didn't do anything. I can still drive the vehicle. Kind of. Oh boy. Next up, we got our handy-dandy ray gun. Kind of sucks, not gonna lie. Next up, we got our Lagtastic Disintegrator. Well, that was fun. Now we got our Sith Saber. We can... basically like Obi-Wan Kenobi's lightsaber, but we can control it when we throw it. This way. Now over there. No, no. Slice in there. Yeah. It's exactly what I want. And then I can call it back. Oh, wait. Ugh. What is happening here? Wow. Thanks for that, buddy. And we can also use lightning powers. And force powers. Oh boy. That's a lot of power. Next up, we can use our handgun on this thing. Next up, we got a Lancer. Ow. And the snub pistol. Man, these weapons suck. We got a Boltok pistol. Well, we sliced that off. Next, we got a Gnasher. Oh, just a bigger shotgun. Way bigger. Next, we got a Hammer Burst. And then we got a Torque Bow. It looks like it's about to explode. Huh, I was right. Next up, we got a Boom Shot. Pretty self-explanatory. Then we got a Long Shot, which is basically a sniper. You know, if you want to snipe someone out of their average car. Or wait. There we go. Much better. Next up, we got a Scorcher. I wonder what this does. Ladies and gentlemen, I've become a firebender. Next up is Superman. Well, this is... Oh. Oh. I see. Oh, it's gone. Oh, wait, I want that back. No. Alright, what can I do now? I can punch very fast. You are no longer drivable. Oh, and pick up big thingies and throw them. Also, I got a laser. Oh, wait, that's not a laser. That's like his breath. Oh, these are lasers. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, it died. Well, look at that. My PC crashed. Okay, we're back here. And... what was I on? Oh, yeah. Superman. Well, let's not use him ever again. Oh. Oh, God. We can liquefy things. And it's just lag-tastic. God, all this resetting might take a toll on my computer. Alright. Next up, we got Iron Man. I'm sure you guys saw him in the last video, but, you know. You know, Jarvis?
Be ready, sir.
Thank you. That was beautiful. And this has way more to offer than Superman. Way more. And yep, that's awesome. Next up, we got dual car gun hands. Oh. Wow. Pew! Wow. All right, next up. Oh, never mind. We're not using that. I don't want to get copyrighted again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to subscribe right now, or this will happen to your truck. It is a very, very, very likely possibility. Oh, God. Now we got this gun again. I don't watch My Little Ponies, I swear. All right, now we got Ray Gun Mark II. Wonder what you can do. I'm less impressed than when the actual ray gun was here. All right, next up, we got a B gun. Well. Okay. Next up, we got a One Punch Man glove. Oh. Oh, this will be fun. Move. Die. Ugh. Yeah. 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 I have all the power. Yeah. Oh god, I got a long arm. Next up is one of my personal favorites, the minigun. Sorry, I got a little aggressive there. Next up, we got a laser gun. Then a sniper. Alright, and... that was beautiful. Just beautiful. And last up, a piano gun. Oh, Q explode off. We would like that on, please. Never mind, I want it off. So the combos we can do is left mouse button hold is a charge fall. You good, bro? Left and right is piano rain. Oh. Ah, escape the pianos! Escape! And then the middle mouse button is to spawn a piano. You guys should call me Beethoven. And make sure to subscribe, because that's literally all I got for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you later.